In this video, we'll go through the top 3 tips for acing reading comprehension tests. These tips are invaluable, even for the most confident of readers. Tip number 1. Don't be a grasshopper. Resist the urge to jump around the exam paper. Read each passage and question in the order presented. If a passage seems challenging, don't linger. Move on and try again later. The same applies to individual questions. If one stumps you, try the next and return if time permits. Tip number 2. Choose the best answer. Read directions and questions meticulously. You often have multiple choices, and the challenge is to select the best one, not just an acceptable option. This assesses your judgment, inference drawing skills, and nuanced understanding. Tip number 3. Should you guess? If by guess you mean blindly choosing an answer, it's not advisable. But there's a strategic approach, the educated guess. Eliminate obviously wrong choices, focus on the remaining contenders, and make a decision based on your best judgment. So there you have it. 3 tips to elevate your reading comprehension skills. From navigating passages strategically to choosing the best answers to mastering the art of educated guesses, these tips will help you through any reading comprehension exam.